Hello friends, my name is Satyam. Today we are going to discuss History chapter 5. The first question is, how did men become rulers around 3000 years ago? The answer is by Ashwamedha Yajna. During this period, some men became recognized as rajas by performing very big sacrifices. The Ashwamedha or horse sacrifice was one such ritual. The next question is, which animal was let loose in Ashwamedha? The answer is horse. The next question is, they allowed the horse to pass. What did it mean? The answer is they accepted the Raja was stronger. Who guarded the horse? The answer is Raja's men. For Ashwamedha Yajna, a horse was let loose to wander freely and it was guarded by the Raja's men. The next question is, who was the central figure in the rituals? The answer is king or Raja. The next question is, who were the people who studied the Vedas, performed sacrifices and received gifts? The answer is Brahmins. The next question is, classification of society into four groups on the basis of their occupation is called dash. The answer is Varna. These four groups are called Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. The next question is, who bought gifts for rulers? The answer is Vaishyas. The farmers, herders and traders are included in this group. The Vaishyas were allowed to perform sacrifices. The next question is, about 2500 years ago, dash turned into Mahajanapada. The answer is important Janapadas. The word Janapada literally means the land where the Janap set its food and settled down. The next question is, earthen pots found in Janapadas were dash and dash in color. The answer is grey and red. The next question is, about 2500 years ago, where was Kushambi situated? The answer is Allahabad in UP. A fortification wall made of brick was found in Kushambi near present-day Allahabad. The next question is, in what mode were the payments made? The answer is punch-marked coins. The next question is, where is Purana Killa situated? The answer is Delhi. The next question is, tax collected from farmers was known as dash. The answer is Bhaga. Since most people were farmers, taxes on crops were the most important. The farmers gave 1/6 of their produce to the kings as taxes. The next question is, herders pay taxes in the form of dash. The answer is animal and animal products. The next question is, hunter and gatherer provide taxes in the form of dash. The answer is forest products. The next question is, the Raja of Mahajanapadas collect dash taxes. The answer is regular. As the rulers of Mahajanapadas were building huge forts, maintaining big armies, they need more resources. The occasional gifts brought by people are not enough to meet these needs, so they started collecting regular taxes. The next question is, who were considered as untouchables in Varna system? The answer is Sudras. The people who served the other three groups are known as Shudras. They fall in the last category of the Varna system. They could not perform any rituals and were not allowed to study the Vedas. The next question is, who worked as farmers in the agriculture field? The answer is Dasas, Dasis and Kammakaras. The next question is, who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? The answer is Mahapadmananda. He extended his control up to the northwest part of the subcontinent. The next question is, two powerful rulers of Magadha are dash. The answer is Bimbisara and Ajatasattu. They used all possible means to conquer other Janapadas. The next question is, the present name of Rajgriha is dash. The answer is Rajgir. Rajgriha was the capital of Magadha for several years. Later the capital was shifted to Patlipura, the present day Patna. The next question is, Alexander is a ruler who lived in dash. The answer is Macedonia in Europe. About more than 2300 years ago, Alexander wanted to become a world conqueror. The next question is, at the bank of which river did Alexander troops stop? The answer is Bias. The next question is, name some places conquered by Alexander. The answer is parts of Egypt and West Asia. The next question is, which rulers conquered the last of the Ganas or Sangha? The answer is the Gupta rulers. The next question is, name the two rivers that flowed through Magadha. The answer is Ganga and Son. These rivers were important for transport, water supplies and making the land fertile. The next question is, Kammakara was a word used for dash? The answer is landless agricultural laborers. The next question is painted graveware is a type of dash. The answer is pottery. These are extremely fine touch with a nice smooth surface. These pots have painted design with simple lines and geometric pattern. The next question is Vajji has its capital city at dash. The answer is Vaishali. Vajji has a different form of government known as Gana or Sangha. In a Gana or Sangha there were not one but many rulers. The next question is who was the minister of Ajatasattu? The answer is Vasakara. Ajatasattu sent his minister Vasakara to the Buddha to get his advice on the matter of attacking the Vajjis. The next question is name two Janapadas in North India. The answer is Hastinapur and Atranji Khera. The next question is Sudras and Dash were not allowed to study the Vedas. The answer is women. The next question is Digha Nikaya is a famous dash. The answer is Buddhist book. The next question is all the free men over the age of dash years were recognized as full citizens of Athens. The answer is 30 years. However, women were not considered citizens. Foreigners who lived and worked in Athens and the slaves were not treated as citizens. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.